Hey, future scholars! Today, we are embarking on an educational odyssey to explore the incredible opportunities that await Indian students in Germany. We are here to guide you throughout your academic journey in Germany. So, let's dive into the adventure. First, we will look at why study in Germany. Why study in Germany? Germany is a hub of innovation and academic excellence and is waiting to welcome you. Let's uncover why studying here is a game changer for your academic journey. World-class education. Germany is synonymous with world-class education. Its universities are renowned globally for their rigorous academic standards and innovative teaching methods. Diverse courses. You can explore a wide range of courses tailored to your interests, from engineering and technology to arts and humanities. Germany has something for everyone. Language opportunities. When it comes to language, many programs are offered in English. Studying in Germany also provides a chance to learn the German language, adding an extra skill to your repertoire. Steps for application. Now that Germany has captivated your academic aspirations, let's break down the steps to make your dream a reality with Study Abroad Life. Personalized consultation. You can connect with us for personalized consultations to help you choose the right university and program that aligns with your career goals. Application assistance. We provide expert assistance in preparing and submitting your applications, ensuring they stand out in the competitive admission process. Entrance exam support. We make you prepare for any required entrance exams with Study Abroad Life's resources and guidance, giving you the edge to succeed. Documentation required. Now, let's tackle the paperwork together, but fear not, we are here to make the documentation process a breeze. Comprehensive checklists. We process comprehensive checklists, ensuring you have all the necessary documents for a successful application. Application review. Let us review your application with our experts, ensuring it meets the standards and requirements of your chosen German university. Visa guidance. So, there are several steps required to apply for a visa. To make it easier for you, we have compiled an overview of the entire procedure here. Step 1. Prepare your visa application. Prepare your visa application and collect all the required documents before applying. Step 2. Make an appointment. You must book an appointment before you can go to the application center. Step 3. Go to the application center. When you go to the application center, your appointment letter will be verified and you will be issued a token. Step 4. Visa application submission. Visa application submission will take 10 minutes. Your documents and visa application form will be checked and verified. Step 5. Entering of application information. After the verification of your application, all the application form information will be entered into the online system of the German consulate and you will receive a printed copy of your application. Step 6. Biometric data collection. Once the application has been completed, biometrics will be collected using a quick process. You will receive step-by-step guidance on the visa application process from us, making sure you're well prepared to embark on your German academic adventure. Application process. Let's navigate the application process together with Study Abroad Life as your trusted companion. Strategic planning. Plan your application timeline strategically, ensuring you meet deadlines and stay on track for a successful admission. Application submission. Now, submit your applications with confidence, knowing that Study Abroad Life has assisted you in presenting your best self to German universities. Admission confirmation. Finally, it's time to celebrate your admission success with Study Abroad Life, as you prepare to embark on an incredible academic journey in Germany. Best time for application. Timing is everything, and we help you make the most of it for a successful application to Germany. Plan ahead. Early planning with us to meet early application deadlines gives you a competitive edge in the admission process. Strategic timeline. Follow our strategic timeline, ensuring you have sufficient time for preparation, application submission, and visa processing. Best universities and courses. Public and private universities. In Germany, universities come in two types, public and private. Public ones get government funding, while private ones rely on tuition fees and donations. Now, let's explore a list for each, helping you decide which suits you best. Now, let's explore some of the best universities and courses that Germany has to offer, with Study Abroad Life guiding your way. The application deadlines for public or private universities in Germany's higher education calendar are Winter semester, July 15th, and Summer semester, January 15th. Top public universities in Germany: LMU Munich. LMU Munich is renowned for fostering Germany's top startups. Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich provides a specialized program aiding aspiring founders in their journey towards billion-dollar companies. Technical University of Munich. The Technical University of Munich is specializing in engineering and technology. This university boasts notable graduates like Carl von Linde, the inventor of the refrigerator, and Rudolf Diesel, the creator of the diesel engine. Heidelberg University. Heidelberg University was established over 600 years ago. Germany's oldest university, Heidelberg, has produced around 33 Nobel laureates by 2021, showcasing its long-standing commitment to excellence in higher education. Humboldt University of Berlin. The Humboldt University of Berlin, linked to groundbreaking physics discoveries by Albert Einstein and Erwin Schrödinger, it is renowned for both scientific achievements and its appeal to students pursuing arts and humanities studies. University of Tübingen. The University of Tübingen is nestled in a charming town. This university offers over 280 programs across all levels and maintains strong connections with over 150 foreign institutions worldwide, providing a diverse and globally connected academic environment. Top private universities in Germany. Karaite Universitätsmedizin Berlin. Karaite Universitätsmedizin Berlin is a leading private medical university. Karaite is known for its excellence in healthcare education and research, playing a pivotal role in Berlin's medical landscape. Jacobs University Bremen. Jacobs University Bremen is an international, private research university. Jacobs University in Bremen offers a diverse range of programs with a strong focus on research, innovation, and a globalized academic environment. Catholic University of Eichstätt-Ingolstadt, KU. Catholic University of Eichstätt-Ingolstadt, KU, is rooted in the Catholic tradition. This private university emphasizes a holistic education approach, fostering critical thinking and ethical values across various academic disciplines. Witten-Herdecke University. Witten-Herdecke University, as Germany's first private university, Witten-Herdecke is known for its innovative and interdisciplinary approach to education, encouraging students to actively shape their learning experiences. ESMT Berlin. ESMT Berlin specializes in business and management education. ESMT Berlin is a globally recognized business school offering MBA and executive education programs, known for its strong ties to the business community and emphasis on leadership development. As you embark on your journey to study in Germany, remember that with Study Abroad Life, you're not just applying for a program, you're unlocking a world of opportunities. Dream big, and let us guide you every step of the way.